Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ordered pairs worksheets. So this video contains some worksheets to give you practice on plotting or reading ordered pairs. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not quite sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this video on, or this particular slide on, for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide. So this slide gives the answers to the first slide on this video. So I'll leave it on for a little while so you can check all your answers before I move on to the next slide, which also gives some answers for slide number 2. Okay, here is the next slide, and this gives the answers for slide number 2. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the last slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.